Okay, this is the third day post-op because I guess it would be the third day. I got the surgery on the 27th. That morning, and today is the 20, let me tell you. Today, is it gonna tell me? Today is the 29th, 27, 28, 29. So I guess technically it would be the second day. I was saying yesterday was the second day, but it has been 48 hours. So yeah, 48 hours is 2 days. But yeah, well, it's a little over 48 hours. But anyway, my medicine just got approved by the insurance, so I'll be getting that today. I don't even know how long I'm gonna take it. My face is like puffy, because I'm of course swollen all over. Yesterday I woke up in pain. Today I woke up in more pain. And of course I'm still taking my ibuprofen. Speaking of which, I actually just took that. Let me put that in my phone. I like to keep track of my medications. And when I take them, I did that at 11. Yeah. I'm trying to type with one hand, y'all. Okay. Whew. But yeah, this surgery has not been it's no joke. I guess no surgery is a joke. Like, this is my second time. This is the biggest surgery I've had, though. But yeah, it hurts. I'm trying to drink this coconut water. Y'all know this is my favorite one. The Vita Coco pressed. I don't really like any other coconut water. If I get another coconut water, it'll be for smoothies and stuff, but not just to drink. This I actually drink. It comes in this box, or you could get it in a bottle. But anyway, I guess my vocal cords still haven't completely healed because I still sound like a man. And I guess since they had the vocal cords, had the tube in my throat, it's been like causing me to spit up all kinds of mucus and stuff. I've been trying to stay hydrated. I do feel well enough to drive, but that's without me actually driving. So I don't know what it would feel like if I were to actually get behind the wheel. I did make myself sit up pretty much all day yesterday. I was going to take a nap, but I decided not to. And I ended up going to bed, excuse me, around 1. Because I was up. What was I doing? Oh, I was doing my nails. And I did my retie my hair yesterday. That's what I was doing all day yesterday. This is crazy though. I woke up, whole body was aching, shoulders, legs, neck. My neck was hurting all day yesterday, but it's still sore, but not as much. And I have this heated, it's a weighted, heated, it's a weighted heat compress that you put over your neck and shoulders. And I heated that up last night, and I wore that for a little bit until it was time for me to take a shower. I still have that patch on behind my ear, and they said it lasts 72 hours. So I'm going to keep it on for 72 hours. It's supposed to help with like nausea and things. And I think that's one of the only reasons why I haven't thrown up again since my surgery. But last night before I got in the shower, I took another picture of the site. And I'm going to make sure I go ahead and insert that. But yeah, that's where I am, all poofy and swollen. Like, I am literally swollen everywhere. I did try to reduce some of the swelling with my stone, my facial stone. I can't pronounce the name right now, but I did the stone and moisturizer. And if I wouldn't have done that, I probably would have been even more swollen. But I was trying to release some of the fluid in my lymph nodes. But yeah, I'm exhausted. But I read some stuff that said after today, it's gonna make a turn for the better, I guess. I still have the compression garment on, and this thing, it rubs, so I'm probably gonna have to put like a bandage or something back on the incision site. They sewed me up on the inside, and then they put my skin back together with the, I guess, Dermabond, the surgical glue. But yeah, that is where I am at this point. I keep getting notifications on my phone, you guys, and Starbucks sent me a notification about their festive drinks and how they're only going to be here a couple more days. But yeah, that's where I am right now. I will insert the pictures from last night, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, it does hurt to cough. It hurts to cough. It hurts to sneeze. Like, I didn't realize how much I had to use that part of me to do basic things. But now I know. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys, I guess, tomorrow. Bye.